Can you use porcelain tiles in place of ceramic for floor installation? Yes, but you need to match materials, substrate, and installation methods to avoid problems. Porcelain is denser and less porous than ceramic, so it resists moisture and wear better, which makes it ideal for high traffic or freeze-thaw situations. When installing, confirm your subfloor is flat within 1/4 inch over 10 feet and stiff enough to prevent flex. Otherwise, the brittle porcelain can crack. Use a medium bed or large format mortar when tiles exceed 12 inches on a side or are rectified to reduce lippage and ensure full bedding with a back buttering technique for large pieces. Porcelain often requires a polymer modified thinset rated for porcelain or a high bond mortar because standard mastic or unmodified thinset can fail to bond over time. Cut porcelain with a wet saw and a continuous rim diamond blade and score smaller pieces carefully because it chips differently than ceramic. Wear eye and hearing protection and support tiles to prevent vibration breakage. For slip resistance, choose a textured or matte glazed porcelain for wet areas and check the surface finish rather than assuming all porcelain is slippery. Consider smaller format tiles or mosaics in showers to increase grout joint friction. Allow proper curing time for the mortar and grout. Follow manufacturer open and grout times, and seal grout as directed to prevent stains and water migration under the tiles. Common mistakes include assuming porcelain will tolerate any subfloor, so people install it over flexible or uneven plywood and later see cracked tiles. Fix this by reinforcing the subfloor with cement backer board or an uncoupling membrane to stabilize movement. Another issue is using the wrong adhesive because porcelain needs higher bond strength. Remedy this by selecting a polymer modified mortar rated for porcelain and checking tile manufacturer recommendations. Third, expecting porcelain to always be non-slip leads to unsafe floors. Avoid this by selecting an appropriate finish for the use area and adding rugs or non-slip treatments where necessary. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to tile and flooring jobs and lets contractors list their services to get work. We host a discussion community where we and other users share installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.